Good morning, everyone. I'm Miss Megan with Botetourt County Libraries, and this week we're going to be talking about weather. What is some of your favorite weather? Do you enjoy the sunshine or the rain? Maybe a scary thunderstorm? Do you like the snow? Do you know what season snow comes in? That's right, it's winter time. But today I'm going to be reading a book about the rain. I love the rain, I love the smell of rain. I think it's so much fun to splash in puddles. Here's our title, Rain by Sam Usher. It looks like those are some puddles already. Read with special permission by Templar Books. When I woke up this morning, it was raining. I couldn't wait to get outside. Granddad said perhaps it was best to stay indoors, but I said I liked going out in the rain. You can catch raindrops, splash in puddles, and look at everything upside down. But Granddad said, let's wait for the rain to stop. Ooh, it looks dark and gloomy here. So we waited and waited, but did the rain stop? No. Do any of you have a favorite umbrella? I have an umbrella with kitty cats on it that I got for Christmas one year. So I said, Granddad, I'd like to go on a voyage with sea monsters. So I said, Granddad, I'd like to go on a voyage with sea monsters. And Granddad said, let's just wait for the rain to stop. But did this rain stop? No. So we waited some more, and Granddad got very busy writing. I said, Granddad, I'd like to visit the floating city with acrobats and carnivals and musical boatmen. And Granddad said, quick, let's go. I need to get this in the mail. But had the rain stopped? Yes! There wasn't a moment to lose, so we got ready and stepped outside. It was time for an adventure at last. Granddad made me captain. It started to rain again. So we caught raindrops. And Granddad let me mail his important letter. It looks like they're having a great time in the rain today. Back on dry land with warm socks and hot chocolate, Granddad said, you see, the very best things are always worth waiting for. And I agreed. I hope it rains again tomorrow. Thanks everyone for tuning in. I hope you guys have a great week. Bye friends.